Welcome back to our sunset journey through Bern. In this second part, we turn our gaze toward the city's most prominent landmark, the towering spire of the Bern Minster. Construction of this Gothic masterpiece began in 1421, taking over 4 centuries to complete. At over 100 meters, it is the tallest cathedral in Switzerland. Above the main entrance, the Last Judgment portal features nearly 300 individual figures, a late Gothic marvel depicting heaven and hell with stunning detail. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Just beside the cathedral lies the Minster Terrace. This public square offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the lower town and the turquoise river. It's a favorite gathering spot for locals. You'll often find people playing a quiet game of boules while enjoying the cool evening breeze and the spectacular views. The tower also houses the largest bell in Switzerland, a 10-ton masterpiece cast in 1611 that still rings out daily across the capital. As we leave the heights of the terrace, we descend the historic steps toward the Matt, the oldest and most traditional district in Bern. The Matt has its own unique character, once the industrial heart of the city where the workers and craftsmen lived by the water's edge. The river here is powerful and constant, the lifeblood of Bern that has shaped the city's peninsula for nearly a millennium. Following the river's curve, we approach the eastern tip of the old town, where the Neudag Church stands on the site of the city's very first castle. The architecture here is more modest than the grand arcades above, yet every stone carries the weight of Bern's history. The water catches the final rays of the day, creating a shimmering path of gold that leads us toward the crossing to the eastern bank. Rising above us is the Neudag Bridge, a 19th century engineering feat that connected the old medieval heart with the growing city across the river. From this vantage point, the silhouette of the city is unmistakable, a testament to medieval urban planning and preserved beauty. Our walk is reaching its final stage. In the third and final part, we'll visit the famous Bears of Bern and climb to the Rose Garden for the ultimate sunset view. Thank you for continuing this journey with us. The magic of Bern's old town only deepens as the light fades. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We'll see you in the finale.